Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, Windows 11 won't shut down, keeps restarting easy fix. First method is disable fast startup. Second method is startup and recovery settings. Third method is Chagny Advanced Power Plan settings. Fourth method is update Windows. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.